Pronoun-Antecedent Disagreement. Yeah, MrCastellano.com. So, let's move on. Take the quiz. 5 questions. Do the best you can. I bet you can't get more than 3 out of 5 right. You know why? Because I couldn't get 3 out of 5 right, even after 10 years of teaching. And then I learned. Good luck. Pause the screen, take the test, pick the right pronoun. Moving on. Okay, here's pronoun lesson number 1. He, she, and it are singular. They is plural. So, knowing that, take the following test. Pause the screen. Nobody in the class confessed that he or she stole the phone, or nobody in the class confessed that they stole the phone. Pick the right pronoun right now. Do the same with number 2. The school stated that its mission is to help all children to succeed, or the school stated that their mission is to help all children succeed. You got your answer? Here's the answer. Bang! Nobody in the class confessed that he or she stole the phone. You know why? Because nobody is singular. So you can't say they because nobody's singular. So as odd as it sounds, the answer is he or she. Same with the school. How many times do people say, I hate my school? They don't know what they're doing. Well, they obviously don't know what they're doing because you're using the wrong plural. School is an it. It's singular. You can't say they don't know. You have to say it doesn't know because it is a school. It's singular. Lesson number 2. There's some rule with a linking verb. If you're going to say something like appear, become, feel, whatever it is, you have to use the proper subjective pronoun. For example, have you ever heard somebody say on the phone, this is she? Well, they are actually speaking proper English. You can't say this is him or this is her. You have to use the proper subjective pronoun. This is he, this is she, this is I. So knowing this, let's take this lesson. The winner of the match was he or him. The winner of the contest was she or her. You got your answer? Bang! The winner of the match was he. The winner of the contest was she. Because you have the linking verb was over there, you have to go with the subjective pronoun. Think about it this way. You wouldn't say him was the winner of the match. You would say he was the winner of the match. Lesson number 3, the implied verb. Here's the rule. If you can add a verb at the end of a sentence, use the pronoun that implies that the verb is present. For example, Donald has more money than me, or Donald has more money than I. Rhonda is tougher than me, or Rhonda is tougher than I. Oh, him, he, whatever. There you go. Donald has more money than I. That's proper English because you can add a verb after that. That's the rule. Since you can add the word have, as in Donald has more money than I have, you have to say I. Rhonda is tougher than he is. Okay? Look, I didn't make the rules. I just teach them. Knowing this, Mr. Clark is a better teacher than I or me. What's the right answer? Use what you learned. Bang. It's I. You know why? Because you can add a verb at the end. Mr. Clark is a better teacher than I am. Lesson number 4. When there's too many people, cross out the other people to see what makes sense. LeBron is going to play ball with Kevin and I or me. LeBron and we are going to have a great year, or LeBron and us are going to have a great year. You can't go by the sound. You have to go by the rule. Bang! Here's the right answer. Remember the rule. Just cross out the other people. Would you say LeBron is going to play ball with me, or LeBron is going to play ball with I? You would say LeBron is going to play ball with me, of course. So if you take out Kevin, you got me. If you put back in Kevin, it's still me. And as weird as it may sound, if you cross out LeBron, Would you say us are going to have a great year or we are going to have a great year? You would say we. So when you put back LeBron, you would say LeBron and we are going to have a great year. Here's an example. The school is going to fire my co-workers and I, me, or myself for not following the Common Core standards. I did it for you. I crossed out my co-workers. So what do you have? The school is going to fire me for not following the Common Core state standards. Now I know what you're thinking. When would you use a word like myself? So, let me go over the rules. You only use the reflexive pronoun like myself, himself, herself when you're going to emphasize something, such as I, myself, will take over this game and shoot every single time I touch the ball. Or, I guess I will have to win this game all by myself. If me fits, go with me. Otherwise, for emphasis, go with myself. Last lesson, lesson number 5. Remember, you don't hate people, you hate what they're doing. So, have you ever had to tell a teacher, I hate you picking on me when the rest of the class is talking? Well, guess what? You don't hate your teacher, you hate what your teacher's doing. I hate your picking on me when the rest of the class is talking. Try to do 5B. Say you're mad at your boyfriend. Would you say, I hate him acting like he's tough when he's with his squad? Or would you say, I hate his acting like he's tough when he's with his squad? Here's the right answers, alright? You don't hate your boyfriend. You hate his acting like he's tough. So, would you say, I hate him taking bad shots at the end of games? Or would you say, I hate his taking bad shots at the end of games? Remember, you don't hate him, you hate whatever he's doing. His taking bad shots at the end of games. Here are the rules. Pause the screen. Read it over. Take the quiz again. Good luck. Here are the answers. Deuces. Please share. And if you want me to make a video just so you can learn something, email me.